Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. So, tinan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong July 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay. Cancer. Let's see what's the energy second half ng July. Support. You will receive support. O maaring may tutulong sa inyo. Meron kayong backup. May ba-backup sa inyo. Or maaring kayo yung mag-offer ng support sa iba. You might be helping others or someone will help you. Uy, make a wish 1111. So, madalas kayong makakita ng 1111. It means na yung mga wishes ninyo are about to come true. Ayan. 333, this is expansion. Cooperation, collaboration. So, pwedeng may mga, you will be working with other people, networking, ganyan. Pagpapalawak ng inyong network, career path, or new friends and connections. Let's see your overall energy. The overall energy is the star. Wow! O, diba? Ang ganda ng overall energy nyo. This is about wish fulfillment. Kaya nga make a wish, oh. This is also healing. You are healing from your past. This is also about achieving your goals. May mga achievement ka ngayong second half ng July. Can be your career path. Pwede rin regarding sa health ninyo. Your challenge is the Empress. Okay. This is productivity. So, ang challenge nyo ngayon, paano kayo mas magiging productive? Paano nyo maayos yung inyong oras, yung inyong panahon para mas marami kayong magawa. Some of you, this can be sa relationship. Pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation sa relationship ninyo. And if you are pregnant, you have to be more careful. Lalo na yung merong mga pinagbubuntis na yung medyo maselan. But this is also about your creative endeavors. So, maaring meron ka mga gustong i-pursue na career or project na mas nangangailangan ngayon ng focus at suporta. Okay? Your opportunity is the Elder of Swords. This is about strategy. So, meron kang opportunity na makapag-strategize sa mga goals mo ngayon. Mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Kailangan mong mas maging maingat sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo ngayong second half ng July. To be more aware, mas maging aware ka sa mga possibilities, pros and cons. I also see here na may opportunity ka na ma-recognize, especially sa galing, sa talino mo, talento mo. Your blessing is the Justice card. So, this is receiving what you really deserve. Pero hindi deserve mo. Some of you, this is justice na yung katarungan na makukuha mo. Dahil maaring merong tao nang agrabyado sa'yo o kaya naman meron ka inifortan na career, trabaho, or situation na kung saan the blessing here is kung ano yung dinideserve mo, yun yung makukuha mo. So, ngayong second half ng July, make sure na what you're doing is for your improvement, para makita mo yung resulta ng pinagpaguran mo, ng pinaghirapan mo. Diba? Okay, let's see what else for Cancerians ngayong second half ng July. Okay, o diba? Sabi na, focus talaga. You have to focus on the positive. Iwasan nyo ang negative thinking. You have to be more optimistic para mas madali nyong ma-achieve yung mga goals nyo at mas ma-manifest nyo yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve sa buhay. New Moon in Sagittarius. Sagittarius rules expansion, exploration, balance spirituality and practicality. Okay. So, this is full moon in Pisces. Siyempre, di ba, ito yung, ang pinaka-classic na example niyan is yung pagdadasal, di ba? Praying for what we really want. Hindi naman pwedeng dasal lang tayo ng dasal pero wala tayong ginagawang action. So, yung pagdadasal, that's the spiritual side and manifestation, no? And the practical side is taking action. Because manifestation requires action. Yes. Okay, let's see ano pa for Cancerians. Second half ng July. Okay, merong Neptune. Oh, may Sagittarius ulit. Oh, some of you, you are very creative. No? You have the 5th house, which is the house of creativity. So you have Neptune here, imagination. No? Some of you are into creative stuff naman. Bawa na artistic kayo. You're into singing, dancing, theater, acting, or anything na merong you are tapping into your creative side and even spiritual side, no? Because Cancerians are also spiritual. Now you have Sagittarius. This is expansion and exploration. So ano man yung talents and skill set mo and even your spiritual side, you're expanding that and you are using that through your creativity, your creative side. Okay? Some of you naman, this can be sa kasi 5th house is about children. Kung meron kayong anak, pwedeng meron kayong mga time na isi-spend sa inyong mga anak in supporting what they love to do or even traveling with them, no, working with them. And if you are in a relationship or dealing with someone, pwede rin tong romantic connection na merong mas magiging malalim na connection sa isang romantic partner na pwedeng kayo ay mag-travel to get to know more each other. Sabi nga, pag daw sa relationship, mas maganda na nagta-travel kayo kasi mas nakikilala nyo ang isa't isa. Now, you have Manas. Manas is about self-awareness. So, mas nagiging aware ka sa iyong sarili, sa kakayanan mo, sa abilities mo, and even yung iyong mga limitations, no? So, kumbaga, may mga pagkakataon na you feel like, oy, limited ka, may mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin sa ngayon. But at least you are aware of that kasi maaring may mga bagay na nag-i-stuck sa'yo sa buhay, no? So, itong isa is about stillness, obstacles. So, pwedeng may mga bagay pang hindi pa umuusad sa buhay mo. But I think in the next few months, starting ngayong second half ng July, you will explore opportunities. And you will also protect yourself, protect your energies. Hindi mo yung hahayaan na ikaw ay yung tipong ma-impluwensyahan na lang basta ng iba. You have your own decisions, okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.